Welcome Matterporters, I'm Amir, and in this video I'll talk about connecting your Matterport camera to the Capture app and using Capture to create a new model. First, go ahead and turn on the camera. Allow it a few seconds to warm up until you see the Wi-Fi icon blinking. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and search for the camera's Wi-Fi network, which will include the camera's serial number. Tap to connect. You'll notice a blue check mark indicating the connection is made and the camera's Wi-Fi icon is now solid. Now you can launch the Capture app. In the top left corner is the menu icon, along with the Sort and Select icons in the top right corner. You'll also see the Add New Model button in the bottom right corner. Before you add a new model, you can double-check the camera's connection by tapping the menu icon. You should see the camera's serial number and a check mark indicating you're connected at the bottom. If you don't, go back to the list of Wi-Fi networks in your Settings app and make sure the correct network is selected. Next, tap the Add New Model icon. Provide as much information as you can about the property. You can also edit this metadata later. Good complete metadata, especially the address field, is in your best interest if you want to distribute this model or publish it to Google Street View. Tap Save when you're done. On this screen, you can see the name of the model, and the current scan mode is on the right near the top. Tap the Options button to switch between the 3D scan mode, which is the normal default mode for scanning indoors, and the 360 capture mode for capturing isolated views, especially when outside. 360 scans do not create 3D data for the dollhouse view and will only include the 2D panorama. Just below the Options button is the main button to start a scan. You're now ready to start scanning. Position the camera where you want to capture the first scan and tap the Scan button. Hide away from the camera's view or walk behind the camera as it rotates. After the scan is captured, the data are transferred to the Capture app. You'll see the scan appear in the minimap. Now move the camera 5 to 6 feet to the next scan position and scan again.